Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender announcement: supply of machinery for water and sanitation program. The government of Georgia, having secured funding from the Asian Development Bank (ADB) for the Sustainable Water Supply and Sanitation Sector Development Program, announces a tender for the supply of operation and maintenance (O&M) machinery. This tender, identified by contract No. EQ2, encompasses multiple lots 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and is open to bidders from eligible ADB member countries. The United Water Supply Company of Georgia LLC, serving as the purchaser, is soliciting sealed bids for individual lots or any combination thereof. The required machinery includes Lot 2, consisting of 1 trailer, Lot 4, comprising 19 large backload excavators, Lot 5, featuring 1 excavator, Lot 6, which requires 11 small excavators, and Lot 7, for the procurement of 2 evacuators. Bids must be submitted by 1500 hours Tbilisi Time, on February 27, 2025. The tender's loan number is 3982 GEO, and the deadline for submissions is February 27, 2025.